What's up, y'all? We out here on High Street. It's a busy day today. Very windy. Lots of people out. There's a hockey game going on at the arena back there. We got the Red Wings. You can see some people with their jerseys, and they're playing the Blue Jackets. Go Jackets. And we also got a little bar crawl going on today. So there's going to be hella people walking around with St. Patty's Day gear on, dressed in green. Anyway, I'm out on shift right now making some deliveries. I'll catch y'all later. Have a wonderful day.